Lines of reflection, even easier than the center of a circle or the center of a rotation. Lines of reflection are just one perpendicular bisector. So I'm just going to pick 2 points that match up. I'll pick those 2 points. You can connect them if you want. And I'm going to do my perpendicular bisector. Again, I like having large arcs, so I'm going to make it pretty large like this. Okay, and then I can just connect that. There's my line of reflection. Do the same thing on the next problem here. Find 2 points that match up. I'll find those 2 points. You can connect them if you want. You don't have to. And then I'm going to do a perpendicular bisector of that. So we see perpendicular bisectors can be one of the more useful pieces. There we go, line of reflection. All right, next piece is asking me to do a transformation, composite transformation. So first, find a line of reflection from ABC to A prime, B prime, C prime. So I need the line of reflection between these two. Okay, easy enough. Get my arcs. And I'll put in my line of reflection. There we go. Now it's asking me to do the point of rotation from here to there. So I'm going to start with A and A prime. I'll match those up. Perpendicular bisector of them. Okay. And now I'll do another perpendicular bisector of, let's say, B and B prime. And I want to look where those 2 lines intersect, which would be right there. That's my center of rotation. Okay, last bit, 2 more problems. Reflect this figure across the line. Remember, reflection across the line is nothing more than perpendicular from a point. I'm going to label these A, B, C, just to make it a little easier to work with. So keep the measurement the same as I do this. That's key to doing this. Got to keep the same measurement. If I change my measurement, it's going to change how far I move. So there's my intersection point for A prime. I'll get another color. I'll do B in blue. A little longer here. Okay, from that endpoint, keep the same measurement. And that new point, there's B prime. And lastly, I'm going to do C. Okay, from that orange line to here. Again, I encourage you to use colors for this because these lines sometimes can get a little crazy. I've seen people label them to help them see it, but it can get a little crazy. And then we just connect those points. There we go. And last problem. This one actually tells me what to do. We're going to find the center of a circle using this chord. So the first thing it says is construct the diameter by doing a perpendicular bisector of CD. Okay, so when I construct my diameter, I need a perpendicular bisector. And I'll put in my bisector. So then I'll label those points A and M. Now that I've got that, it says find the midpoint of the diameter, because remember the center of the circle is going to be at the middle of the diameter, by constructing another perpendicular bisector. So I'll do another perpendicular bisector, this time of AM. And there we go. I got another perpendicular bisector there. So the center of the circle is this point here. I'll call it O. Hey, by the way, look, you could make your square. That's right there for us. Okay, tomorrow we'll look at another review packet. Nice work.